If you've picked Hyatt Vivid Grand Island Resort as your vacation destination, congratulations! Now comes the tricky part, choosing the perfect room to match your needs and your budget. With a jaw-dropping 13 different suite categories, this decision can feel like trying to pick a favorite star in the sky. But don't worry, I'm Nancy from New Travel Escapes, and today I'll be your guide through the maze of suite options. We'll break down what each one offers, how they differ, and most importantly, whether they're worth your hard-earned cash. Hey there, in this video we're diving into the suite categories at Hyatt Vivid Grand Island Resort, a luxury adults-only all-inclusive haven in Cancun's hotel zone, just 15 minutes from the airport. Now, why resorts feel the need to create so many room categories is beyond me. Are the differences real, or is this some marketing wizardry to squeeze more out of your wallet? With 13 suite categories to navigate, we'll start by walking through the 5 standard suite options before tackling the 8 club level upgrades. By the end, you'll know exactly how and where to spend your money. So let's get started. Hyatt Vivid is a fresh addition to the Cancun scene, offering 400 modern and stylish rooms. These are split into 2 main categories, 5 standard suites and 8 Vantage club level suites. Here's the deal. Your room rate covers the all-inclusive package. If you're new to the all-inclusive world, this means unlimited food, drinks, and a host of different activities. Hyatt Vivid boasts several restaurants plus room service from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. If you're curious about the dining scene here, we've done a full deep dive into Hyatt Vivid's food and beverage options, complete with a look at the menus, so be sure to check that one out too. Every room at Vivid includes plush bedding, a fully stocked minibar, refreshed daily, complimentary Wi-Fi, an in-room safe, a coffee bar, and air conditioning, which thankfully worked really well. You'll also get a furnished balcony and a sleek bathroom with a rainfall shower and double vanities. Now here's the real scoop. While the sheer number of room categories might seem overwhelming, the actual differences between them are pretty subtle. Once you understand the basics, it all starts to make sense, so let me break it down for you. The standard suite options. Let's talk about the standard suites at Hyatt Vivid, and they offer 4 options, all clocking in at a comfortable 570 square feet, except one is slightly larger, and we'll get to that one in a minute. Here's the lineup. Junior Suite Bay View King, Junior Suite Gulf View with 2 doubles, the Junior Suite Deluxe Gulf View King or 2 doubles, and the Junior Suite Deluxe Bay View King or 2 doubles. If it has a king, it sleeps 2 people. If it has 2 doubles, they'll allow you to book 3 people into the room. So let's simplify. These rooms are all basically the same. The key difference? The view. You're choosing between golf course or the bay, and if you opt for the deluxe version, you're likely on a slightly higher floor. Think mid-level, but not penthouse. Pro tip. If the view doesn't make or break your vacation and you don't mind being on a lower floor, go with the cheapest option and pocket the savings for an extra round of margaritas. Now, there's one standard suite that stands out, the Premium Suite Gulf View. It is 775 square feet, and with a king, it sleeps 2 people. This one offers a little extra luxury. It's larger with a separate living area and, wait for it, a shower with 2 shower heads, because why settle for 1 when you can have 2? If you're craving a bit more space but you aren't really ready to splurge on a Vantage Club upgrade, this is the sweet spot. One important note, the Junior Suite Bayview King is the only suite with accessibility features. If you need one, be sure to contact the resort directly to reserve it. Don't assume it's going to be available when you get there. So really, that's it for the standard suites. The Vantage Club suites aren't wildly different, but they do have a perk, prime real estate, on the top floors of the resort, floors 10 and 11. Booking a Vantage Club suite comes with a few perks beyond just the room upgrade, so here's what's included. A prime location on the top 2 floors, well, hello, Instagram-worthy views. Upgraded bath amenities. How upgraded? Oh, that's so subjective. A soaking tub in the bathroom, a pillow menu available through the resort app, because one type of pillow just isn't enough for some. a Vivid box for discreet room service delivery, I'll touch more on that later, and a Lavazza coffee machine for your caffeine cravings. You'll also gain access to the Vantage Club lounge, conveniently located on the ground floor near the lobby and the main pools. Now let's talk value. We upgraded to the Vantage Club during our stay, and while the views and lounge access were definite highlights, the other perks didn't quite live up to the hype. The Vivid box for room service, unused. We're still not sure why. They just refused to deliver it into the Butler box. And the rest, well, it's nice to have, but it's not something we splurge on. The two perks we thought were worth the extra money were the high views from our suite balcony and the Vantage Club lounge. Just like the standard suites, the first 4 Vantage Club options are nearly identical. The only difference? Well, really, which side of the hallway you're on. Vantage Club Junior Suite Golf and Ocean View King, Vantage Club Junior Suite Golf and Ocean View 2 doubles, Vantage Club Junior Suite Bayview King, and Vantage Club Junior Suite Bayview 2 doubles. For a bit more space, there's the Vantage Club Premium Suite Golf and Ocean View, which comes in at 775 square feet, the same as its standard counterpart, but with those coveted upper floor views and Vantage perks. Ready to take things up a notch with the bougie-rific suites? The Vantage Club offers some seriously luxe options. Vantage Club Honeymoon Suite Golf and Ocean View King at 1,249 square feet, Vantage Club Honeymoon Suite Bayview King at 1,071 square feet, and the 2 Vantage Club Master Suites, either Golf and Ocean View or Bayview, at 1,636 square feet. If you're celebrating something special and your budget allows for it, these suites give a whole new meaning to room with a view. And then there is the pièce de résistance, the Vivid Suite, a staggering 3,670 square feet. I just chuckle when I read that number. It's luxury with 180-degree views of the bay, golf course, and the ocean. This suite features a massive balcony with a private plunge pool, a spacious living room, and more. It's bigger than most houses and perfect for anyone living their best life or hosting an epic vacation party. So let's go back to reality. Let's take it back in and focus on what most of us will actually book, the 570 square foot junior suite, whether Vantage Club or standard, and whatever view. These suites offer the same stylish design and layout, with the real differences being the floor level and again, which side of the resort you're on. One nice touch, many booking platforms let you specifically choose a room with 2 double beds, which is a game changer if you're traveling with friends and would prefer not to share a bed. We stayed in a Vantage Club Junior Suite on the 10th floor, and let me just say these top floor rooms live up to the hype. With only the 10th and 11th floors designated for the Vantage Club experience, scoring one of these suites means you're in for something special. Our junior suite came with stunning ocean views and a layout that was both functional and luxurious. The bathroom was a standout feature, boasting a spacious design complete with a soaker tub, perfect for a little me time after a long day of soaking up the sun. Privacy was well thought out with frosted doors separating the shower and toilet areas, giving you a rare moment of solitude when needed. And let me tell you, the view was the best we've had in a long time. From our balcony, we could see the glittering Cancun hotel strip and the ocean, making every morning coffee and evening glass of wine just a little extra special. Our room came equipped with a wine fridge stocked with a couple of bottles, because what's a vacation without wine in my world? The mini fridge had juices, soda, and beer, but don't expect a full snack setup. We received a few welcome treats, but those didn't get replenished during our stay, which was a bit of a letdown. Room service is included with your stay, but it was an odd quirk despite the Vivid box being available for discreet deliveries. The staff insisted on bringing the food directly into the room. Was this a sneaky way to angle for tips? Maybe. We ended up using the butler doors for dirty dishes instead, which wasn't ideal, but it certainly got the job done. The shower temperature was a bit temperamental, swinging from chilly to scalding hot. With some fiddling around, we could find a happy medium, so it really wasn't worth the hassle of switching rooms for us. The bed was wonderfully cozy, perfect for sinking into after a long day. Vantage Club guests have access to a pillow menu that you order from the app, and they deliver it right to your room. Housekeeping was hit or miss. They often arrived late in the day, which left us guessing when the room would be cleaned. On a few occasions, we returned around 3:30 p.m. to find our rooms still waiting for TLC. Turn-down service started again at 5, so this system became annoying. It wasn't a highlight at this resort. Despite the few quirks, our junior suite was a fantastic home base for our vacation. For me, the standout features were the incredibly comfy bed, perfect for recharging after a day by the pool, and the bathroom layout, spacious and well thought out with a great soaker tub and private shower and toilet areas. With its stunning views, spacious layout, and overall comfort, it checked nearly all the boxes. And if you're wondering whether to splurge on the Vantage Club upgrade, keep this in mind. The majority of the rooms at Hyatt Vivid are some variation of this junior suite. They don't all have soaker tubs, but you're getting a good idea of what most of them look like. Even if you opt for the cheapest one, you'll still get a lovely room with great amenities. If you're craving those spectacular views but you don't want to upgrade your room, you can always head up to the rooftop pool and lounge for a bird's eye perspective of the resort. And since the property isn't sprawling, thanks to its high-rise design, no matter where your room is located, you're never really too far from anything. If you're considering Hyatt Vivid Grand Island Cancun for your next getaway, I hope this video has cleared up the differences between the 13 suite options and made it easier to decide which one works best for your needs and budget. Hyatt Vivid isn't just for couples, it's a great choice for friends or even a bachelorette weekend. While it doesn't lean heavily into the romance, it offers a relaxing, modern vibe with a touch of boho bougie flair. We've made several videos about Hyatt Vivid, so if you're still on the fence, check out our other reviews to get a complete picture of this resort. Vacations are a big investment, and finding the right suite can make all the difference. That's why we create these videos, to share our real, unbiased experiences and help you plan the trip that's perfect for you. And just so you know, we pay for every single vacation ourselves. There's no VIP perks, no special treatment. The resorts don't even know we're creating these videos, so you're getting the honest scoop every time. Our goal is simple: to help you choose the resort that's right for you and decide which room, if any, is worth splurging on. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It's free and it really helps support our channel so we can keep bringing you more reviews of adults-only resorts and family-friendly all-inclusive escapes. Thanks so much for watching, happy vacation planning, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!